Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to archive Amazon orders. First of all, open the Amazon app. Click on your profile at the bottom. Click on Your Orders. The items you ordered have been shown in this section. Go back and click on the three dots at the top right corner, Desktop Site. Once you convert it into a desktop site, it is going to give you a desktop-like appearance. Refresh the page and go to the Amazon homepage. Click on Accounts and Lists. Tap on Orders. Click on View Orders in 2023. If there are any of the orders that you've made, you will be able to find the option called Archive right next to it. So this way you can do it from the mobile, but remember you have to turn on the desktop site. That's how you can archive orders on Amazon. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.